Hey there, game enthusiasts! Get ready to dive into the quirky world of ABDUCKTION with the Bundle Base plus IntergalacDuck Research Expansion Combo Pack, a weirdly strategic duck kidnapping game that combines UFOs and mind-bending, shape-finding logic for an unforgettable experience. Perfect for ages 12 and up, this game offers 25 to 30 minutes of light strategy fun with 120 adorable plastic ducks, a 3D flexible UFO, player boards, research pods, glitter ducks, and decks of action and formation cards. Designed for 2 to 6 players, Abduction is equally competitive whether you're playing head-to-head or with a group of friends, making it a fantastic choice for game nights or family gatherings. Easy to learn in just 2 minutes, this game provides enough strategic depth to keep everyone engaged and make victory feel incredibly rewarding. Whether you're looking for a unique gift for birthdays, Christmas, or Father's Day, or simply want to spice up your game night, Abduction is the perfect choice. And if you're hungry for more game night fun, don't forget to check out other hilarious games like Ransom Notes, Puns of Anarchy, and Charty Party. So gather your friends and family, and prepare for a night of laughter, strategy, and, of course, duck abductions. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.